This Centerforce 2 clutch and flywheel kit with a 21 spline input is an excellent option for 2016 to 2023 3.5 liter Toyota Tacoma owners looking for improved clutch performance and durability. Whether you're driving your Tacoma as a daily driver, hauling, towing, or hitting those trails, this clutch provides better holding power and smoother engagement compared to the stock unit, making it a great choice for those who want enhanced drivability without excessive pedal stiffness. This clutch and flywheel kit is designed to handle higher torque loads while maintaining smooth engagement, making it ideal for Tacomas used in off-roading, towing, or performance driving. It features Centerforce's patented centrifugal weight system, which increases that clamp load as the RPMs rise, providing a more secure grip on the flywheel while keeping pedal effort very manageable. The high-friction, full-face organic disc offers exceptional durability and reduced chatter, ensuring a smooth and reliable feel. Also, the included billet steel flywheel is designed to withstand high heat and stress, preventing warping or premature wear over time. This combination of components results in a longer lasting and more reliable clutch system compared to the factory unit. The pressure plate is precision balanced and built with high strength materials to withstand heavy loads and repeated use. The clutch disc features a sprung hub design which helps absorb drivetrain shock and reduce vibrations, improving the overall drivability. The billet steel flywheel is not only durable, but also helps with heat dissipation, ensuring consistent performance under heavy loads and that spirited driving. Now, as far as pricing goes on this kit, it's going to come in right around that mid-1000s price range, which is to be expected from a high-quality clutch that includes a flywheel, and they're both performance-oriented. Installing this clutch is going to be rated a solid 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and this will take you at least 2 hours of your time once you get into it. Getting this installed is going to require removing that transmission, which makes it a moderately difficult install level. If you aren't comfortable with this level of install, then you might want to consider paying a professional to get this installed for you to avoid issues with the clutch and transmission after the swap. Alright, well that's going to wrap up my review of the Centerforce 2 clutch and flywheel kit with a 21 spline input for the 2016 to 2023 3.5 liter Toyota Tacomas. And for all things Tacoma, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.